In this video, I will be showing you how to go public with Threads account. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is simply go to your Threads account. Okay, so once you are on your account, all you have to do is to click this lock icon here at the top left corner. And as you can see, under privacy, we have here private profile, mentions, muted, hidden words, profiles you follow, and under privacy settings, we have blocked, hide likes. So all you have to do to simply make your account public, you just have to turn this one off. Okay, and then they will ask you switch to public account. We have here anyone on or off threads can see and interact with your content. So click OK once you're sure with this one. And then after you tap OK, you can see that your account is now public. To make sure that your account is public, you can go back to your profile, and at the top left corner, you can see there a globe icon. That means your account is now public. You can go back to private. All you have to do is to click this one and turn your account to private again if you want. So that's how easy it is to go public with Threads account. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.